There we go. That's late. That's pretty late. It's like 5 miles.
It sounds like exactly like MSFS.
Yeah, they actually did a good job with the A320.
Yeah.
The sounds are decent. Also the alarm. Well, the alarms aren't hard to mimic, but...
And now he's hand flying. Now he's definitely hand flying.
Yeah, didn't hear the autopilot disconnect, but...
Well, you can tell. You can just tell.
Yeah, you can tell, yeah. Same thing with the throttles.
I say, oh, holy crap. Most of my A320 are so...
Yeah.
Holy crap, we're going like...
We are dragging right now.
Yeah.
They're pretty slow.
Are the spoilers still out?
No, the spoilers are away. The spoilers only come up when like you turn, because like they don't just like you're going down on the wing, they come up a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna get ready to film. You have your GoPro filming, so I don't think you really need to.
Yo, do you film on the other one? Yeah, this is 10 center. I can tell. It's 10 center.
I feel like he was going off to the left a little bit of the center line. No, that was okay.
He flared a lot.
Yeah, he was going off to the left a little bit, but... Wait, where'd you say that was?
Oh shit, we're gonna turn left.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what's that? Oh, crap, we're on the left side now.
Where the local time is 7:34 a.m. We hope you enjoy your time in Chicago or wherever your travels take you in. If this is home, welcome home. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and other small devices. If you are sitting near an exit door, please refrain from plugging your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seatbelt pockets to make sure you have all your belongings and be careful when opening public
That's a
seats.
222. That's like some stuff that we don't need.
Yeah.
On behalf of the entire
I get a better
United
view
team
of it
and
now.
our Star Alliance partners, thank you for choosing to fly with United today. We truly appreciate your business. We hope you have enjoyed your flight. We hope to see you again soon. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.
There's so many new liveries here.
Yeah. And they're probably starting the AP right now. Also, if you look at the other side, you might get a better view.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are arriving to the Terminal C. Our gate is C30. C is a Charlie, 30. So if Chicago is your final destination, you can get your checked bags in Select the baggage claim carousel 10. Baggage claim carousel 10. Thank you.
I want to see the other side of it though. Oh, Western Global MB11. Western Global MB11.
Yeah, look, the morning light and O'Hare suck. The rest of the day is like all top of.
Is there any like place where you can view the 76 from like a good spot, or only from the
No, like, only from the ramp.
Maybe we'll get a better view of it on takeoff. I don't know. Oh wait, hold on. We might see the other side of it now. I just want to see the wing, because I know the wing is like burned off. Wait, look at the back. This way. Let's see the wing.
It's off.
Oh yeah.
It's fully off.
The wing is just, no, they like cut it in half.
No,
Well,
it didn't burn out. I remember.
like it was like slanted, but it was still there. They just cut it off now.
Yeah. The towers matter.
Is that a new tower?
Yeah.
Why did they build it? That's hideous. United New Livery. I think that might have been the one I flew on. That United New Livery. The new livery over there. That might be the one that I flew on. I don't know. Oh no, that's a Max. Never mind. Yeah.
Oh, it's a Max 8.
Is it?
It's a Max 8.
Oh shit.
That's probably the new. That's probably
Yeah.
the first one. Actually, I can't tell.
It has. I think it's the one with a new interior. Actually, no, it's not. Never mind.
That's probably the one that was at Oshkosh, maybe. Here, tell me the tail number and I'll look it up.
I can't see from here. There's no way. Yeah, there's no way I can see from here, but.
4320.
I'm about to get off the plane. I'll call you back in a minute.
Yeah, it's definitely a Max 8. Pretty cool.
Bad of a traveler, honestly.
Yeah, you're fine.
There's so many.
I've never traveled.
Oh god damn it! There's the Max. That's definitely a Max.
Yeah, it's Max 8. Pretty cool. Sir, this divider is wrapped up, so you know you're on Airbus.
That's the hangers going up.
No. It's like banging against the.
I don't understand how Zach is not poor yet, honestly.
No idea.
He probably spent like $2,000 in Italy. He'd probably.
Oh yeah, easily.
Yeah, see, I told you, long ass taxi. We're not even by the terminal.
It's not horrible, but.
At least we get to see some stuff.
Is that a FedEx 76 over there? Yeah, this airport is actually, it's like a whole city, really. There's so much stuff going on. I think it's pretty cool though.
There's a cafe way back there.
Yeah, it's like more interesting than
It's a
JFK.
cargo flight. It's like,
Yeah, it's more interesting than JFK just because it's like so much.
Look, we gotta go all the way over there.
No way.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
I told you.
I mean, at least it's not like at least it's not congested. Does it ever get congested here? That's why they have like 50 runways, right? Yeah, they're like fine.
No, I think it's just a busy airport.
Well, yeah, it is, but.
Anthony Salino is like the biggest misfit of your kid I think you've ever heard.
Oh, that could be the one I flew into Tampa.
Dude, there's so many liveries out there. You don't know that.
7 through 8 is only like 5 in the new livery. Or 6.
No, there's more than. That's
No, there's less than 10, that's for sure.
Oh, hold on. What's the tail number?
How am I supposed to see?
Alright, I remember my tail numbers. Keep on your story.
Oh, actually, yeah.
It was 37 something.
Yeah, that's all. Yes.
3729. Okay. Today it went from. Wait.
Passing through 9 Center.
Wait, that actually might have been it because it's in Chicago right now.
What? 372. Just turn off all filters and you'll see it on the ground. Yeah, here.
No.
Yeah, so wait, zoom in. No, don't have any filters. Zoom in. Where are we right now?
What the hell are we with?
Wait, hold on.
Hold on, wait, let me zoom in. Hold on.
Wait, just a second.
Where's the thing?
Oh, no, here it is.
No, it's not. Dude, it's probably it's up here.
What do we do?
There's just a lot of new liveries here.
Whatever.
But dude, Lewis, this is a brand new taxiway.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it looks new. Yeah, like they just finished. Oh, that runway's closed. This thing, I swear. Airbus, man. Just how it be.
I don't know which concourse we're in. I think we're. Ooh, we have to go to the underground tunnel. You know what that is?
Yeah, I've heard of it.
Famous one. Yeah, we're gonna go through that.
The one at Tampa is pretty nice, except for the fact that like the boarding, getting in its own. There's like 2 gates right next to each other that literally lead to the same place, but they're so picky about which ones you can and can't use.
Oh shit.
Oh, so you see how that cowling is half painted?
Yeah.
That's what the other engine is like. That, yeah.
That's a 739.
Yeah, that's
6. That's a new one. 16.
Wait, that might be the one that I flew in. I don't remember.
Dude, it's not gonna.
Well, I say that about everything. Well, it might be. Who knows?
That landed from Albany.
Maybe I flew in it a while ago.
That landed from Albany. That's Andrew's food.
Who?
Andrew. Yeah, has the
Oh, Andres. Yeah.
God damn it.
Alright, the service is still pretty shit right here. Oh, new livery U140 over there. They're painting the U140s a lot faster than they would than anything else. That's for sure.
I cannot be taking this fucking mask off. It's itching me so bad.
Yep. Almost there. You don't have your check bags, right?
No.
Okay, good.
I was gonna bring one to bring my tripod, but it's not working.
We'd have to spend like an extra god knows how long.
And we would have made the flight either. Yeah, they're doing a bunch of runway. That's a 170.
Wait, so how long did it take you to get through TSA pre?
What?
How long did it take you to get through TSA pre?
Like 3 minutes. There's a lot of people traveling today.
Yeah, because like now they actually have screening. Before at LaGuardia, last time I did it was literally a joke. Like all you had to do was just walk through it. Like you just walk straight to the metal detector. They don't check your passport. I mean, they don't do that in TSA pre anyway. But you just walk straight through the metal detector.
There's so many
literally
ferries there. Oh my god. Those are all
What terminal is that?
That's our terminals from big. But those are all domestic planes.
A220.
Like all international planes go to a different terminal.
A220 right there. Slow this a bit. I do have to say though, the window in the bathroom of the A220.
There's 277s,
739.
Oh, they just shut down engine number 2.
Yeah. 739 just vibing there.
Wait, so this is your first time out here?
Yep. I think so. Yeah. Yeah, it is.
There's the 76 back there.
I can barely see it. It's pretty cool though how it just, you know, it's like that. Look how much stuff there is, holy shit. Wait, so which terminal is which? Is that A, B, C, D, E?
Those are the K gates, those are the Ds. Actually, I don't know, American. No, I know this whole thing is B, and this where we're going, so we have to go into the underground tunnel.
Wait, so how many terminals are there?
There's like 5. I think.
Are they like A, B, C, D, E? Or
Yes.
okay. Or it's like a weird order.
Well, for American, it's in letters. It's the question now. Because it's the K gate, so we're assuming it's terminal K.
Where does that even come from?
I don't know.
You see where we are right now. Let's see, we landed. Holy shit, we had a long taxi. Imagine taxi instructions, dude.
I wanted to fly one of those so bad.
Yeah, me too, honestly. Imagine the taxi instructions, so like when you land, you have to read back all of it. It's definitely a two-person job. And I'm getting my I'm gonna take my medical exam soon for the UPL. Yeah. Just trying to get the appointment ready.
Alright, hold on a second. I gotta get
For right now.
I'm gonna try.
What are you doing?
Magazine.
Can you take like all of them? Like, can you take 2 of each?
Yo, 333.
Oh, right next to
Dude,
it?
it's massive.
Look at that engine. Yeah, the engine's like almost the same. Here, can you take one for me as well? Your bag.
I really want to see it today.
Yeah, and that. We out here.
Oh, dude, the engine's on. Yeah.
I think it's just windmilling.
That's probably go to Orlando.
No, it
Chicago to
can't
Orlando.
turn on a G90 at the gate. It's windmilling. The wind is really strong. That's probably why. Like really strong.
That's probably going to Orlando because they're doing that new route from Orlando to Chicago.
Yeah.